What's going on, family? This is our welding student from Little Rock, Arkansas. It's his second day of welding, and we want to ask him, how is it going so far?
So far, it's a learning experience. It is a challenge, but practice makes perfect. You know, I like to use my hands in a lot of things. So if you got creativity with your hands, it just takes a little bit of practice. But it is simple, but yet hard to kind of learn.
Okay.
So once you get everything kind of going, it's as simple as just memorizing what you do, muscle memories, all that stuff like that. But as far as the second day, yeah, it's a challenge, but I like challenges, so.
Okay. So do you think that the way I instruct and how I try to give you the information to make it easier, do you think that my instructing skills help you with your welding? You think it help improve you faster?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Like say you demonstrate, and then you like, all right, I'm gonna hold your hand. Like say it's like riding a bike. I'm gonna put you on this bike, training wheels and all. I'm gonna hold your hand. Eventually, I'm gonna just let you go. And that's basically what you did, because once you seen, okay, you yourself getting the arithmetic of it, okay, I'm gonna let you go, see how you go on your own. If you confident enough to do it on your own, then hey, I'm gonna keep you going. I'm gonna take the training wheels off, but I'm gonna keep it going.
And that's how it goes, fam. You have to lead by example. You have to be willing to step in and show a person where they err at, so they'll know what they need to do right or what they need to correct or whatever the situation is. But until you lead by example, it's going to be hard to do that. Yes, so I appreciate you saying I was leading by example. So for those who are coming into the area, will you promote this program and tell them it's a good program at the Goodwill Academy?
Yes, sir. Absolutely. The teacher here is the best.
What you said. Hog on.